name is Abhishek. Akrity is a technology consulting and services company that helps SaaS companies build and launch their products. We work with B2B SaaS companies in the analytics space, or we work with B2B SaaS companies that do workflow automation. Even though we are a services company, we are a product engineering firm. That means we work on the customer's core product that their customers will use, which means the quality of work that we do and the onus of the standard of work that we do is very, very high. And also, we work only on the latest technologies and pick problem statements that we find exciting. We are not only looking at profit as the only motivator, we also look at the kind of new technologies that we will get to work with, the societal impact of the technology that we are going to work with, and also how exciting we are going to find these problem statements. That keeps the team motivated and going.
At Akrity, we want to do things the right way. Doing things the right way becomes very challenging when you're having an extremely design heavy focus of what you're trying to do. We are extremely harsh on ourselves when it comes to design. We want to be able to look at what we are doing with not only what is going to happen today, but what's happening in the product roadmap of tomorrow. We don't like to add constraints into the system that tomorrow we will be repenting, and we want to be able to take the right design decisions that make sense in the long run. This makes us trusted advisors to our clients. We take a lot of decisions for them on the lines of which technology stack to use, which design to use, whether should I do functional programming or whether should I do state-driven programming. These are the problems that they come to us, can they ask our advice on. We also have another advantage that we are very choosy with the clients that we work with, because we get to be able to produce a lot of value for them. We also want to essentially work with the clients who are looking for the similar things.
We believe technologies are just tools to solve problems. It's important to use right tools for the right job. So technologies that we use in Akrity vary from project to project. Some tech stack that we work with are like in front end, Angular, React, Redux, languages. Some of the languages that we work with is Java, Ruby, TypeScript, and so many others. So, and databases, some of the databases that we have worked with is Firebase, MySQL, Datomic, and MongoDB.
We are more of generalists rather than specialists, so we'll get a chance to work on both front end and back end. We follow the full stack development roadmap, where we usually start with Rails, fundamentals of Rails and fundamentals of HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and then we usually like go on more advanced frameworks. And with learning the new technologies, we also focus on the core fundamentals of and principle of software engineering.
At Akrity, we are very excited about engineering. So we want to achieve engineering excellence. The way we want to do it is by having complexity workshops and design discussions, paid programming sessions with the team. And we are very quality conscious. So we make sure the code we write is maintainable and extendable for ever-changing features or requirements.
As engineers, our job is not just to write code and solve the problem temporarily, but to design solutions that solve the problem in the long term. And the solutions need to be designed keeping clients' mission and long-term goals in mind. This means following better design practices, better review processes, and having a general idea of what's the best way to solve a problem. This means following the best practices, maintaining reusability in all the code we write, and knowing the core fundamentals of the technologies we work with.
So yeah, team here is highly motivated, and they have a strong interest in engineering. Developers here are passionate about building complex features, and we look for challenging problems to solve and learn from them. We do discuss about latest technologies and exchange knowledge about what each and everyone is learning. We do have weekly meet where we talk about trending technologies, and we share with everyone.
I like coming to office every day, so that tells more about the work environment. But apart from that, I get to meet like-minded people every day. I get to work with them every day and get to grow and learn with them every day. Whenever I have any problem or anything that I want to learn, they are always helpful in that matter. And apart from work, obviously we chill because we have to take breaks in between works. So sometimes what we do is we play chess, we do CSS battles, and also sometimes we try to debug anything that if anybody is facing any problem, we just gather around and just try to debug and work things out. We hang out outside office also. We do office parties, play badminton, and play any other sports if you want to.